Welcome to the Savannah Safari Adventure. Get ready to explore the magnificent savanna, where incredible animals roam. Lions, elephants, giraffes, zebras, cheetahs, hyenas, hippos, and rhinoceroses. Can you imitate their sounds? Are you ready for the challenge? Join us on this exciting journey and become a part of the Savannah Symphony. Let's embark on a wild adventure together. Get ready to discover the animal symphony of the Savannah. Our first animal is the king of the savanna. It's the lion. Can you roar like a mighty lion? What do lions eat in the savanna? Our next animal is the elephant. How does an elephant trumpet sound? Can you make it? How much water can an elephant drink in a day? Comment down below. Our next animal is the giraffe. Do you know what sound a giraffe makes? Give it a try. How tall can a giraffe grow? Comment down below. Our next animal is the zebra. Can you imitate the distinctive braying sound of a zebra? Why do zebras have stripes? Comment down below. Our next animal is the cheetah. How do cheetahs communicate? Can you mimic their chirping or purring sounds? How fast can a cheetah run? Comment down below. Our next animal is the hyena. What sound does a hyena make when it laughs? Can you laugh like a hyena? Do hyenas prefer to live alone or in groups? Comment down below. Our next animal is the hippopotamus. Can you grunt like a hippo? Let's try Toggeter. What does a hippo do to keep cool in the hot savanna? Comment down below. Our final animal for this episode is the rhinoceros. Do you know how a rhino sounds when it snorts? Give it a try. How thick is the skin of a rhinoceros? Comment down below. And that concludes our incredible Savannah safari adventure. We hope you had an amazing time exploring the Savannah and learning about the fascinating animals that call it home. Remember, the Savannah is a delicate ecosystem, and it's up to all of us to protect and preserve it. By appreciating and understanding these magnificent creatures, we can work together to ensure their survival for generations to come. We want to thank you for joining us on this wild journey, and we encourage you to continue your exploration of the natural world. There are countless wonders waiting to be discovered, so go out there, embrace your curiosity, and keep learning about the incredible animals and environments that make our planet so extraordinary. Until next time, let's all strive to be good stewards of the Savannah and the entire animal kingdom. Together, we can make a difference. Thank you for watching the Savannah Safari adventure. Stay curious and keep exploring. Thank you for joining us on this incredible Savannah safari adventure. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more exciting content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video from us. We have plenty of thrilling adventures and educational content coming your way. If you found this video entertaining and informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. It helps us spread the wonder of the Savannah and its magnificent animals. We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences.